Soundstrap.
What up, YouTube? Vigilante Man back in the shop. Man, I assessed the damage with this harness. To be honest, it'd probably be easier to get a new harness, but since I do got a channel, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and repair it, give y'all some footage. If you're new to the channel, this harness came from my 93 OBS that I blew up. The pressure plate and the clutch assembly exploded whenever I was driving my truck. Did some damage to the harness, did some damage to the truck. And like I said, if you're just tuning in, I'll put a link in the description for the video of the carnage. But for all y'all that follow me, you know, this is the harness from the truck. So I've already pulled it and assessed the damage. Alright, so these two little wires need to be connected. But past that, I bound all the harness together that caught the blunt of the damage. Y'all see, three plugs came completely detached due to the explosion. All right, so we got what's this? An O2 sensor. This looks like the throttle body plug, and this looks like the crank position sensor. So today I'm gonna do a video basically repairing the harness. I'm gonna use the I got some heat shrink. This came from Harbor Freight. Got my soldering iron over here. Okay, I'm gonna plug this bad boy in because I'm gonna need it. First thing, I'm gonna get these two bound back together and heat shrunk. So yeah, I'm gonna repair these. This one is still in the loom, but it still caught some damage here and here. That looks like about it. This one goes to the coil pack. Now I've already been through the whole harness, so I already know what's damaged. Like I said, I bound them together, but a couple of the leads have multiple spots that I need to repair. So yeah, man, let's get cracking. I'm not an electrician. I'm about to do some electrical shit. I'm not an electrician. I'm about to do some mechanic shit. I'm not a mechanic, but y'all get to sit here and watch me do my thing. All right. I'm a wire cutters and crimpers. Let's get these two attached first.
Soundstrap.
Alright. Nice little solder job on there. I'm gonna slide the heat shrink over. Pull out my trusty torch. There it is. Here's my torch. I recommend if you're gonna use a lighter for a torch, make sure it's a Bic. If you use the corner store plastic ones, I mean, and you hold the trigger down for too long, the lighter breaks. But Bic lighters, you can hold them as long as you want, as long as there's fuel in them. There is a reason they cost a little more than the other lighters, because they're made better. That is a nicely repaired wire for a wire harness. I'm gonna keep on going, and we're gonna get all these things reattached. I'm gonna let y'all watch. All right, so this one is our O2 sensor. This is our O2 sensor plug of the wire harness. It got blown to smithereens. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably need this length of wire because this got blown off, so I'm probably gonna have to extend these. Let's see which plug it went to. 2, 4, looking like this one. Alright, so we got black, pink, brown, purple. Yep, so with the wires match, that is what I need. But I'm gonna get some, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend these 2 wires because obviously this is the length that I needed, but a chunk of this wire got blown out. So we're gonna extend these. And I actually, man, see, I had an old wire harness that I didn't want to throw away, but I was cleaning up the shop, getting ready for my channel and everything, and I threw a lot of it away. So hopefully I can find the exact same type of wire. You know, I don't want to put no, you know, just any old wire in the harness, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't have the wire harness wires I needed, but these should do fine. If not, y'all hear about it.
Soundstrap.
Alright, y'all, so I'm thinking about doing a little giveaway. You know, I'm on the road to 100 subscribers. I think I'm at like 36 subscribers right now. You know, like, share, subscribe if you like anything you see. If you don't like it, leave negative comments. If you do like it, like and subscribe and share, whatever. You know, I just be here doing my thing. Alright, so now we're gonna extend the black wire with blue.
Soundstrap.
And there you have it. Alright, so now these wires are back to the lengths they should have been before they got blown up. Alright, well, I got all the harness back together, all the plugs that got blown off, got them back connected, soldered up, heat shrunk. So all I have to do is wire loom it and we'll get this back in the truck, keep it rolling. Alright, next time.